All right, what is up, YouTube? I'm back once again, but this time I definitely want to let you guys know about the website that I do have launching today. Uh, what will be on there will pretty much be a lot of information that we talked about throughout YouTube, and also it'll go more in I would say more in depth with from the beginner stage, just getting your account, or thinking about opening up an account, all the way to we're gonna trade this, we're gonna trade that, or we're gonna buy this to buy that. So it's definitely still I'm definitely still putting out information on my page. I do only have, I think, one lesson on there just right now, and that's just about the chart basics, and that's just just a $5 lesson about just I would say some quick patterns. I would say maybe about five or six patterns that that you should be aware of. But I know that should um, with my other videos, those will come in packages, and I'm definitely just trying to get those products to be able to get pushed out. But right now, I'm definitely working on putting out more content. Um, I know some of the stuff I do have on YouTube will be on my website, but I would say that I go more detail so that way you understand exactly what I'm saying. Because I know a lot of time on YouTube, I'm talking over people's heads because a lot of information that that I do understand. I definitely have to come down and have to explain it to a more simple level rather than try to be more complex. Also, there will be more new lessons, other stuff that I did not put on YouTube that I was saving for my website. So, it'll be some of the old stuff that you see on YouTube that, that a lot of people haven't seen yet. And this will be more information as the year goes on, as the years go on, other things that I do see, and how to break down a conference call, or not a conference call, but an earnings transcript call, or earnings slides, or how to look at a company that is paying out dividends, and things like that. Also, a lot of people have come to me, asking me, how do I open up a brokerage account? I'm definitely going to have that, in a video. It's going to be maybe like a quick video, $5 video on how to open an account, how to choose your broker, and exactly what to do, when you're faced with a decision of whether to buy, whether to sell, or whether to just keep depositing over time so that way your money can grow. And let's take a look at our portfolio right quick. I haven't really been paying attention to the stock market lately because I have been, working, just about every day. So let's check out and see what we have. We have Apple right here, definitely coming down. Berkshire Hathaway still climbing up. All-time highs are, definitely approaching us. So, like I said, the reason I bought Berkshire Hathaway, remember when, they were talking about raising interest rates towards the latter half of the year. Now it's the latter half of the year. Now that you see Berkshire Hathaway steady climbing, I made sure I bought a position in Berkshire Hathaway about 168 or maybe 169, but I definitely wanted to get in before the rally started with Berkshire Hathaway. So we're about $2 away from from those all-time highs, and we have to pay attention to things that are going to affect different stocks and different companies later on in the year. We see Chesapeake. Before we were looking at Chesapeake, it was at $4.88. Now we're at $4.96. So it definitely looks like Chesapeake is definitely picking up. It hasn't broken down. It hasn't broken past that $5 mark since we have been doing these videos, and it looks like we're trying to get up there, but oil is definitely creeping back up to that $55 level. We have Clorox. We haven't bought enough shares, so I might sell this, take this little 15 cent profit, and that'll definitely count as a loss because remember, I think it's like $10 a trade, or maybe $6.99, whatever the rule is on the simulated trading thing here. Well, we see Home Depot. Like I said, Home Depot is definitely a buy once we got this dip, because now we see Home Depot climbing back up to those levels that we were buying at. We see Honeywell definitely still climbing, kind of, taking a rest here because the market is kind of down. The Dow Jones is the only thing that you see that is, hitting all-time highs. We have Starbucks here definitely losing us a lot of money, since, they came out. I would say there wasn't a lot of things to be proud of, that you're holding the company stock, but there's definitely room for improvement with Starbucks. We see the triple Qs here. Triple Qs, remember, we can't be upset that the Qs are down, $3 up, $3 down, $5 this and that. Remember, the T triple Q is definitely amplified. Remember, because it is leveraged. So, yeah, that comes with the territory. So just be aware of how the money is going to look each and every day. And we have Take-Two. Remember, video games are still hot. They do report, I think, August the 2nd to see exactly what they're going to do. We see Amazon in the news. Amazon, and a lot of people, they really did not like what Amazon reported. As we see Amazon come, it's come down $100. And if there's a time to buy Amazon, I'm pretty sure now would be the time before we start to see $1,000 become support. So now we see an all-time high of 1083. Remember, Amazon had a hard time breaking through 1,000. Now we hit 1083, so we are almost at $1,100. Now we're back to 988. Now, I would say support is going to be found at that $1,000 level, but right now, since the earnings did come out, not a lot of bullish things to be positive on. Looking long term, this is definitely a discount at this stock price. But let's definitely take a look at the website that I do have up. Let's see if I can get the screen share here going. Screen share with screen. Cool. All right. So this is what the website is going to look like. The link is in the description, like the title does say. So you'll be, you'll be able to read about, what I'm doing here, how many investments I do have. You can look about the about. I'm pretty sure my portfolio will change throughout the year. You get to see all the things that I'm investing in. I know Dow Chemical will be another investment I will step into, simply because there's just a lot of growth that I really want to be a part of. And if you're listening to that conference call and participating in those earnings call slides, you would understand exactly what I'm talking about. And I do have free tips here, and I'll probably upload a lot more as the year does go on. But the free tips are now, I think about just about 5 or 4 I have right here, and they're pretty helpful for a beginner if you don't understand stocks. And you do have my contact, and I was able to put a link of my YouTube in the contact description here. You do have my Instagram right there and YouTube right there, and we have our shop right here. And it's just I would say a 5-minute lesson on chart patterns, and that's just about it. Nothing too complex right now, but like I said, as the year goes on, I'm definitely gonna have more videos to put out and more bundles for stocks. So that's all I have for you guys today. Take care.